So syntax definitions is L attributed. So let us see what is the L attributed. L attributed definitions. L attributed definitions. So that is L attributed definitions means L is having the productions and it can be defined as A is x1, x2, xn. That is the range of xj. The range of xj lies, that is I lies between 1 to n. This is the length, that is 1 to n. 1 to n. So this is number 1. Number 2, the attribute both are inherited. Inherited, that means parents oblique siblings will denote the node, and number B, synthesize, that is equal to child node in case of the L attributed. So that means the x1, x2, xj minus 1, this is a particular symbols to the left xj in the productions, and inherited attribute of A, Therefore, the syntax directed definitions above is an example of the L attributed definitions, because inherited attribute L type depends on inherited L type attribute depends on T type, and T type is to the left of L in the production. Therefore D will be TL. Similarly, the inherited attribute L1 type depends on the inherited attribute L type, and L is the parent of L1. So in this case, L is L1 dot id, because L is a parent and this is the inherited. So in this way, L attribute can be expanded. So that means we can expand these ones like this ones, that is D equal to T, this is L, and L from L one is getting, and from L1 we are getting the ID. So in this way, L attributed definitions will get expanded. So in this way we can say that L attributed definitions are the types of the length, how to expand the length of the definition. That means suppose we are getting definition T equal to LTL, then it is expanded. This is the parent and this is the expansion, and that is ultimately you are getting the ID. So in this way, translation carried out during the parsing. The order in which the semantic rules are evaluated by the parser must be explicitly specified. Hence, instead of using the syntax directed definitions, we use the syntax directed translation scheme to specify the translations. Syntax directed definitions are more abstract specification for translation. Therefore, they hide many implementation details, freely the user from having to explicitly specify the order in which the translation takes place. Whereas syntax directed translations schemes indicate the order in which semantic rules are evaluated, allowing some implementation detail to be specified. So syntax direction translation will give the particular order. So therefore we can say that the syntax directed translation is a better one. Okay, thank you for hearing this L attributed definitions. Okay, there will be surely one question in the examination. Mumbai University explain about the L attributed definitions. Thank you for hearing the lecture.